Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Biomed. Today I've got a little package that was shipped to me. Kind of curious. Somebody reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in testing out their mini ratchet system because I tested several other mini ratchets here on this channel, both for the economical options and the more expensive options. This one here, I believe, falls under the economical options, but I haven't even opened it up to check it out. So let's go ahead and do that right here, coming up next on Better Biomed. Okay guys, here's the mini ratchet system. Comes in a very trim little box. I gotta figure out how to open it. There it is. Okay. This little piece of paper shot right out at me. Let us help. Toolant.com. Interesting. So it's got a whole selection of bits. Loving it. We got SAE, we got Torx, we got some spline, we got metric. It's got pretty much everything I need. Wow. All right. Let's go ahead and do this. What? I don't even know what I'm getting into. Okay, so first off, it's got a belt clip. Kind of interesting. And sounds like there's a bunch of loose parts in there, but it's all in this kit. They got plastic hinges on the box, which if you're not going to use this that often, that would be absolutely fine. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, well, obviously this here was just shipped in. It's possible that, you know, every single one of these is always going to be loose. It just is what it is. First things first, let's check out that fit and finish of the ratchet. The profile is nice and thin. It's very comfortable. I'll give them that. The action is pretty smooth and tensioned, so it has a feel of quality automatically. This is a dual tipped ratchet. First I've ever seen like this. One side has got the 1/4 inch hex for the bits. The other side is got the 1/4 inch hex, or the 1/4 inch driver for sockets. Wow. Okay, well, that's interesting. All right, it feels like it's a very fine tooth ratchet. Yeah, definitely fine tooth. It's got some good grip. I like that it's bent right here in the middle so I can articulate it however I need. Let's try it the opposite direction. Pretty good, pretty good. All right. Also comes with one of these extensions, which means, let's go ahead and try it out with one of these. Oh, okay. So there's something that I do like. So a lot of these extensions, you have to pull the collar in order to put a bit in. This is like a zero pressure insertion and it's locked in. I really dig that. I think Milwaukee is one of the other companies that builds these extensions like that. So you just push it in. Nice. I like it. Okay. 1/4 inch. It's what, a 2.5 inch extension with a magnet inside it. Very cool. Let's see, what do we got here? I've got what looks like a spline set of sockets. It is 12 point, and the reason that they do this is because it allows them to use metric and standard. So this is like 13 1/2 engraved right there. Very cool. And it goes down to size, what is this? 4, let's see, 4. So that'd be 4 millimeters and 5/32. Okay, spline. Now there are some videos out there that prove that spline will give you a little bit better grip on some rounded off fasteners. It is what it is. We'll find out. I have a little 1/4 to, well, I guess you can call it a 1/4 inch hex to 1/4 inch socket, which doesn't technically even need to be done because you got this guy here. But the reason that they're going to do that is because if you need an extension for your ratchet, you have to use this guy. See that? So that's why you have that. If you don't need an extension, just use it straight off the driver. All right. Very neat. So these sockets here will press on, and like I said, I imagine that they fit on rather well. It's just because this was shipped around the world. They actually have some pretty good retention on there. Nice. How about that? Looks pretty good. Yeah, there's some good retention on there. All right, so I've got shorty bits. I've got my Torx, T40, T10. Very cool. I've got some square drive bits. I've got flat blade. I've got my metric and my standard hex. Very cool. They look like they're well made. I dig it. And then we've got some extender pieces. Very neat. So this is kind of a surprise. Wasn't really expecting this, but I dig it nonetheless. And anyway, I'll have to figure out how that fits back in there. But guys, that is the Mini Ratchet Set from Toolant. Very cool. I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the video description below. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these kits. Seems to be a very well-made kit. Thanks for watching, guys.